Advanced Test and Automation is an engineering company based in Milton, a company that specializes in temperature control, making them the best solution for storing both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. That is, according to Director of Business Development Michael Stuparic, who says these vaccines are unique compared to those used in the past, in that they need to be stored and maintained in extremely cold temperatures.
We spent a lot of time interviewing the different levels of government, speaking with Public Health Agency of Canada, Health Canada, the different logistics providers that are involved in this process to really understand where they felt they would have the biggest pain points really in keeping the cold chain. And we adapted our technology into a product that basically is flexible for all vaccines. So it can maintain as low as negative 80 degrees Celsius all the way to positive 8C, so for future COVID vaccines. And as far as we know, we're the only product out there that's actually able to do that.
The province has indicated ATA will not be needed in this initial stage of the vaccine rollout, but Stuparic says that may change.
After that, there's going to be subsequent waves of vaccinations, and that's where the need for cold storage will really, become a bigger issue. So right now, the province of Ontario has come back to us and said, "Look, we have what we need right now just to get our first responders vaccinated, get the most vulnerable." Um, and but there's going to be a need basically to vaccinate the rest of the population, especially going into the second quarter of next year. And so we're in discussions with a couple different levels of government to really understand what that means. And based on their plans as they see it today, since the situation is very dynamic, it may change, but as they see it today, what they think would be the most valuable in that effort.
And based on these continued discussions, Stuparic says he's confident there will eventually be an agreement with the province.
First one is dictated by Pfizer in their case, where they have thermal shippers. So basically, shipping boxes that have a certain amount of vaccines. I think it's about 1,000, and there's dry ice inside. And so basically, these dry ice shippers will come. That's how the vaccine's coming today, actually. And every few days, people are going to have to top up these boxes with dry ice by hand to make sure that the vaccines don't go outside the temperature range. Um, Otherwise, they have to move it to ultra cold freezers. We're offering an alternative where you could very quickly scale cold storage capacity just for the purposes of this massive immunization program. And then these things can be reused, or redeployed elsewhere. It could be a situation where we have a portable version where, you take it to a long-term care home, you vaccinate the people in the home, and then you take it and move it to another home. We're offering that option or that flexibility where dry ice is maybe a little bit more cumbersome to manage, and freezers is a little bit more of a permanent, higher investment type option.
Reporting for Halton News, I'm Melissa Candelaria.